Your Spirit Animal, a guided meditation from Kiddy Kalma Yoga. Lie down somewhere really comfortable. Get some pillows or some blankets. Get yourself a cuddly toy. Snuggle up. Lie down and feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. Feel supported by it. Let it carry your weight so that you can relax completely. As you lie there, gently close your eyes. Let them take a rest. Now, take a big, deep, full breath in. Feel your whole chest and ribs getting bigger as you breathe in, and then slowly breathe out, emptying your body of air and relaxing your body completely. Just as that surface supports you, your breath supports you too. Your breath is very powerful, flowing through you like magic, filling you with life. Your breath is your best friend. Your breath is your spirit, the energy that runs through you, making you who you are deep down inside. Some people call breathing respiration. Respiration. It almost sounds like spirit. When you breathe deeply in, you are allowing your spirit to soar, to roar, to swim, to fly. And when you catch your breath or don't breathe properly, it's almost like you're not allowing your spirit to run free and wild and be who it wants to be. So let's practice letting the spirit soar. On your next big breath in, imagine your spirit is an animal. Let's start with a lion. As you breathe deeply in and out, your spirit animal lion awakes inside you, the lion waking up in the African morning sun. As you breathe, feel the lion inside you waking up. See the lion stretch and yawn and blink his or her eyes. Maybe the lion roars to announce the break of day. Maybe the lion shakes her head or shakes his mane. Maybe the lion comes up onto their feet, stretching out like a sleepy kitten. Maybe the lion starts to stroll majestically around the plains, taking in the sunlight. Maybe the lion even goes for a gentle morning run. As you imagine your lion, keep feeding your spirit with big breaths of air, and notice how this idea of a lion spirit animal makes you feel. Do you feel strong? Do you feel brave? Do you feel like the king or the queen of the jungle? Whatever feeling comes up, breathe it in, smile at it, and now breathe out and wave the lion goodbye. You can ask that lion to come back whenever you need its strength. Now let's imagine that your spirit animal is an eagle. A big, big bird with a wingspan as tall as the tallest of men, with eyesight so sharp it could spot a mouse under a leaf down on the ground from way, way, way up in the sky. Imagine your eagle spirit animal awaking within you. And now breathe in to feed it and breathe out to set it off on its way. Watch the eagle as it turns its head surveying its surroundings, looking left, looking right with its big eagle eyes. And then, letting your breath be the wind that helps the eagle to take off, your eagle soars up and up and up into the air, so graceful, so elegant. The eagle is strong, but it moves like a dancer, soaring, almost like swimming, flying up and up and up into the air. The eagle lets the wind choose its path. Instead of flying directly to where it needs to go, as the crow flies, the eagle searches for the best wind currents and lets the current carry it like a river. So it glides left to right, catching the stream of air. It doesn't seem like the quickest path, but the wind moves the eagle faster, carrying it and helping it on its way, which makes it the fastest path after all. See your spirit animal as that eagle, and notice how that idea makes you feel. Does it make you feel sharp, with superpower, magnificent eyesight, able to see clearly through the fog and confusion of life? Does it make you feel like you want to spread your wings and fly high, high, high up to your destination? Does it make you feel strong, yet graceful? Does it remind you to trust the wind of your own breath and let it take you on whichever path is best for you? Whatever feeling comes up, breathe it in, smile at it, and now breathe out and wave the eagle goodbye. You can ask the eagle to come back whenever you need its grace. Now focus on your belly. Focus on the space just above your belly button and see there a golden light shining, like the sunshine, like your own sunshine, your true nature, your spirit. Breathe deeply into your spirit, send it love and strength. And now from that place, from inside the golden light of your sunshine, see your own spirit animal awake. What is it? Let it be the first animal that comes to mind. And don't worry about what animal it is. Just trust that this is the right one for you now in this moment. What is it? Is it a puppy? A dolphin? A lizard? A horse? Is it a monkey or a rabbit or a penguin? Is it a rhinoceros? Is it a unicorn? Whatever it is, smile at it, love it, let it wake up and feed it with your deep breaths. Now let your spirit animal start to play. Maybe it swims or runs or jumps or flies. Maybe it crashes through the jungle like a rhinoceros with all its strength and bravery. Maybe it trots like a unicorn through the clouds and rainbows, seeping magic around it wherever it goes. Watch your animal play. Watch it move. Watch it in its element, in its natural habitat where it lives. Notice the way that it moves, and notice the feelings that it makes you feel. Do you feel as strong as a rhinoceros? As magical as a unicorn? Do you feel wise like an owl or brave like a bear? Do you feel cheeky like a little playful kitten? Whatever the feelings are, smile at them, love them, breathe into them, and then wave them goodbye. Wave your spirit animal goodbye for now. You can ask it to come back whenever you need it. If you need to feel strong and brave, call upon the lion or the rhino. If you need to feel graceful or wise, call the eagle, the owl, or the unicorn. They will come to you. They will help you feed your spirit. They will help you feel all that you need to feel when you need to feel it. But you must feed it too. Feed it with your loving breaths of air. After all, your breath is your spirit. Your breath is your best friend. Now, as you keep breathing, slowly begin to wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, maybe turn your head from one ear to the other, fill your face with a big smile, stretch out your whole body, and then gently open your eyes and go off into the rest of your day or your evening, remembering to bring your spirit with you on every step of the way.